Pulled!
What?
I've been whacked!
No, yet you've not.
To be fair, that's what we should have just done and got some strips and just put it all over his legs.
Yeah.
Sit down. Right, what's next? What's next?
Your mama.
All right. I bring my mama into this. No!
Why has he got tape hanging off his bollocks?
You don't want to know.
That's gonna hurt.
God!
I've got his nipple there!
No! No! No!
Oh, he's gonna pull the nipple off.
No!
Let me see! Let me see! No! Still there! Ben, got me more gaffer tape.